You just catch a gizzard shad? Or is that a wiper?
It's a wiper, I think.
Yeah, that's a wiper, buddy. That's a good one too. That's probably what hit you there a minute ago. Want some help?
Nice one. Eater.
Oh yeah, he's an eater. There you go, Matt. And look what you got him on. Hold that reel up here. Yeah, baby.
Dude, did you see? He smacked it right across the
I
tongue.
hit record right at the end of it. I wasn't recording because I was tying shit on.
The scent works then, because they like smell. So they like smelly baits.
Yep, that's a good one, buddy. That's a keeper. If you're using a Shimano, Matt, you might have lost him. Ooh, I had one. Hear me, Matt? I was working it like a jerkbait and I had one. Oh, there he is. Mother. Second time I lost one. Well, the freaking GoPro died right as I caught a fish. Just a little saw guy. Talk to the camera, Matt. Gotta talk to the viewers. It's just a little one, but he hit the flicker shad. Just figures. I catch him right after the camera beeped and told me he was dead. Now we're trying to do it without the camera dying. Hopefully with a bigger fish too. There we go. That's another little one. We'll take him though. Hey, Matt. Okay, bye-bye. Oh man, I had him. He felt a little better too. I'm peeling, buddy. I don't know what I got. Probably another damn carp. Nope, it's just a giant. Look at that fat girl.
Yeah.
I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but that thing was running drag. Look at that. Big old toothy bastard. What do you think of that, Matt?
Yeah.
See what it measures on the bump board. If it'll stop flaring. 19 inches?
About there.
19. Good one.